to see a scary movie. Oh, come on, man, you're boring. God. Do something, for fuck's sake. Sweet, we got a reaction.
I didn't do that. I didn't.
What?
What?
I said what?
Wow.
What?
Oh, good day there, mate. How's it going?
Would you like to play a game?
Come on, then. Puppet show, let's go.
Oh, cool, that's great. I like to play games too. What about yourself? Hmm?
I love games.
Sweet, me too, I know. Yeah.
So what's your pet's name?
The pet. Solar flare. What? What's so funny?
What did you say?
I said solar flare.
Alright,
Put the earring put the earring aid
you
in.
do any tricks?
Oh, what tricks? What? No. Does this look like a fucking magic show to you? Hmm? Well, it's not. What the fuck do you think you're doing?
Oh, it definitely is. That means it is.
What? The dicky bow?
Yeah.
Do you think it makes me look gay?
No, come on, man. You shouldn't think. Dicky bows are great.
No, they're not.
Although I do think you should get rid of that hat.
The hat. Well, I would, but it's stitched to my fucking head.
Oh, we get the spooky saw.
Would you like to play a game?
Yes, I would like to play a game.
Oh, that's cool! Wicked! Me too! What about yourself? Would you like to play a game? Well, do you want to play a game? Whoa! God, this guy's a magician. Sweet, he's got an eyeball in his mouth. Whoa. Do you know what? They never say you got any weirdos on Omegle. I mean, like I say, poof, we just found one here. How's it going, weirdo?
Fucking until it.
Ugh, get off!
So, how long has your master been a ventriloquist for?
Ventriloquist. I can't even say it. Ventriloquist. Stupid bastard. Come on, you got your hand in my fucking ass. You can't even talk right, you fucking nonce. Get a fucking job, you lazy bitch. Trying to do shit YouTube videos. Sorry about that.
Dude, someone's face is so fucked up right now.
Do you want to play a game? Do you want to play a game?
Let's play a game.
Cool! Because I want to play a game too. Excellent. Okay. What should we play then? Good. You pick it. Come on. What game do you want to play? Truth or dare?
Dare.
Go on, you go first. Truth or dare? Okay. How many boyfriends have you had?
Definitely.
7. Come on. Really? How old are you? Like 15?
That was on the nose.
I know, I'm pretty cool at this. You look like a twat. Cool.